Hello everyone and welcome to your daily coronavirus update for March 30th, 2020. We apologize for missing the update yesterday. Some unexpected events came up that didn't allow for an update to be made. We're back today though, and we're going to be talking about the virus. Here's what's going on with it. So we have only one new place, Botswana, being the new place with an infection today from the coronavirus. Their first 3 cases have been detected today. Let's take a look at the world map. The world map is looking like most countries, a vast majority of countries now, do have the coronavirus. This is no surprise to anyone who's been staying informed or watching these updates for a while. You know that this world map has been looking like this for quite a while. So let's talk about global statistics. 784,000 new cases today, with 202,000 closed cases. We will not be getting to 1 million cases by the end of the month, although we will likely surpass it within the first week of April. So when it comes to closed cases, we have 202,815 of those. 19% of those have been deaths so far. 81% of those have been recoveries. We'll be talking about how numbers for these are likely inaccurate. We'll also be talking about how the total case and active case numbers are likely inaccurate as well. Of active cases, we have 581,566. We have 551,000 people in mild condition and 29,000 people in serious or critical condition. 60,000 new cases today overall around the world, and 3,715 new deaths today. So here are the countries with the most coronavirus infections. United States at number 1 with the data we have now, 163,479 cases. Italy at 101,000. Spain at 87,000. And China at 81,470. But that is inaccurate. We know it is inaccurate. We also know that their death numbers are inaccurate. We'll be talking about that soon. We know these are inaccurate because of hospitalizations and deaths that we've gotten reports out of from inside sources within United States intelligence and news that's been coming out of China from relatively reputable news sources. We know that deaths are much higher than we thought. All funeral homes in Wuhan are stacked with bodies, apparently. And apparently, if you just do the math, they're saying 500 bodies a day they're disposing of. About 500 a day, and that's been going on. If that has gone on for even the past week, then the death numbers of over 3,000 in China are already surpassed by that of just Wuhan. Alright, moving into number 5, Germany at 66,885 infections. France at 44,550 infections. Iran, we are speculating their numbers are inaccurate. I'll put it in yellow for now. I've heard speculation, I've heard rumors that their numbers are inaccurate. Haven't found any hard evidence of that yet, but I haven't done the research just yet as to whether Iran's numbers are accurate or not, so we're going to keep it yellow now. United Kingdom at 22,141 cases. Switzerland at 15,000, and Belgium at around 12,000. So here are the places with the most new infections in the past day. The U.S. at 19,988, Spain at 7,846, Germany at 4,450, France at 4,376, Italy at 4,050. They've really started to flatten the curve over there. Iran at 3,186, the UK at 2,619, Turkey at 1,610, Canada at 1,128, and Switzerland at 1,093. Here are deaths. We're first going to basically say China, we're pretty sure, is actually number 1 in deaths right now. We just don't have an exact number on that. So we're going to peg China as number 1. Italy then would be at 11,591. Spain at 7,716. US at 3,148. France at 3,024. Iran at 2,757. The UK at 1,408, Netherlands at 864, Germany at 645, and Belgium at 513. So here are the countries with the most new deaths in the past day. Spain at 913, Italy at 812, the US at 565, France at 418, the United Kingdom at 180, Iran at 117, Germany at 104, Netherlands at 93, Belgium at 82, and Switzerland at 59. So now let's talk about the United States in a little bit more detail. Now here's what's going on in the United States. New York, the state of New York now has over 66,000 total infections. It's a very bad scenario panning out right now in New York. Looks like they're flattening the curve a little bit though, which is definitely good news in New York. We'll see. Their hospitals say they are starting to get overwhelmed though. We'll see how that continues. Missouri at 1,051 cases. Illinois surpassing 5,000 cases. Lots of cases throughout the whole country. Most states now exceeding 1,000 cases, especially those with more urban populations. Alright, here are the United States statistics. 63,000 new cases, 163,000 total cases or so, with 19,000 new cases and 988. So about 20,000 new cases, 565 new deaths. We have in total 3,148 deaths, recovered 5,506 people. And we have in active cases 154,825. 98% of those people in mild condition, only 2% are in serious or critical. Let's take a look at the economy. Here's what's going on there. The Dow up over 4% today. That's definitely good news in the stock market. NASDAQ up over 3.6%, and the S&P 500 up over 3%. A good day overall in the stock market, but things have been fluctuating up and down, and we're likely to see volatility in the stock market continue as time goes on. Here's how commodities are doing. Oil at about $20.64, gas at $1.68, and gold at $1,617. What's driving the stock market? Primarily coronavirus fears at this point, although there are some other factors driving the market, like testing and curve flattening that has been occurring. But overall, the coronavirus fears are going on. At this point, that is the main influencing part of the market. So what can we do to help with the coronavirus? We can wear disposable gloves, clean and disinfect, clean surfaces using soap and water, practice routine cleaning, frequently touch surfaces. High-touch surfaces include tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, sinks, etc. What else can we do? We can disinfect clean areas or items with soap and water or other detergent. If it's dirty, then use a household disinfectant. EPA has numerous disinfectants that they recommend. You can go to the EPA to find out more on that. You can follow instructions on the label and just make sure that you're being safe about it. Diluted household bleach solutions can also be used for this. Follow manufacturer's instructions and leave solution on that surface for at least 1 minute to make sure all the coronavirus dies. That's what we're looking at right now. What else can we do? For soft surfaces such as carpeted floor, rugs, and drapes, clean the surface using soap and water or cleaners appropriate on these surfaces. We could also disinfect it with an EPA-registered household disinfectant that meets the EPA's criteria against the coronavirus. Alright, well, you can follow us on Facebook at MicroCasting St. Louis or Tropics. You can follow us on Twitter at MicroCasting STL or TRO. You can follow us on Instagram at MicroCasting St. Louis or MicroCasting Tropical. We hope this video did inform you in some way, shape, or form, as we are here to inform you and give you all the information you need. If there's any information that's missing in this video that you'd like to hear about, please leave a comment and we'll be more than glad to add that information in the future. Again, thank you all so much for watching. This is MicroCasting signing out.